Do you guys want to learn how to Rizz like this?
What the hell? Like,
Alright guys, chances are if you've made it this far, you want to learn how to Rizz. There are 4 requirements in Rizzing. Number 1, if you haven't already, pause and watch this video to learn how to use OBS on Omegle TV. If you already have that, good. Move on to the next one. Go to Google and download Voice Mod. That's how you're going to use your sound effects, and that's what your mic is going to be using. Step number 3 is download CapCut. This is where we will get all our templates, some of our music, and the effects. Step number 4 is optional. Have a phone so you can get different camera angles and use filters. Alright, so the next thing that you're going to need, and how I'm going to do it, is I'm going to use my phone and use the TikTok bold glamour filter, and I'm going to get some Rizz shots of me real quick. Here we go. Save it through TikTok. Go ahead and get a second for more camera angles. Alright, then when you have your files brought over from your phone to your PC, you can open CapCut. And then once you're in CapCut, you're going to want to find a template for your new videos. What I like to do is I go here and I type Rizz template. And in here, you're going to have to browse through them and find one that you like. For the sake of ease, we're just going to pick the first one that popped up. Once you're in the CapCut section, you need to drag and import your videos. Once your videos are now in CapCut, you need to then replace these clips from the template with your video. What I do is I will flip-flop them. I only have 2 videos, but there's 4 places that they need to be. So I'll put this one in the first one, then I'll skip one and put it there as well. Then with the other video, I'll put them in the other slots. Once you're in here, you're going to need to trim the clip so you get the proper angle of what you're going for. So this looks good. Replace, confirm, and then we'll do that with this one as well. And then we'll see how this works. Start from the beginning, see if you like. We're gonna say yes. Once you've made that, you can then export it. And when you export it, make sure you check the box that says export audio so you have the MP3 file as well. Alright guys, once you have your video exported, you need to make a new scene in OBS and then set up a hotkey for it. So I like to duplicate my current scene. I'll name it Rizz, and then I'll go into my settings in OBS and choose a hotkey for the Rizz scene. So Rizz scene we'll set to the hotkey of delete. We'll apply it, and then when we press delete, it'll switch to the scene. Now that we've made the Rizz scene and set up a hotkey, we need to bring the video that we exported from CapCut into OBS. And then once you put it in OBS, double click on it in your sources and click loop. Now you want to get it centered so the edit covers up your screen in Omegle TV. Perfect. That's all we need to do in OBS. Now the next thing that we need to do is we need to go into our voice mod. So once you have your voice mod pulled up and set up, you need to find the soundboard section, and then you need to add a new sound. Now if you checked export MP3 from CapCut, go to the same folder and find the MP3 file for your video. You can then drag it into voice mod, and then you have to add the same keybind that you used for your Rizz keybind in OBS. So we add a keybind. I'm going to press delete. So now it's set up. I'm going to turn the volume down because it was a loud song. And that's all we need to do. If you got that set up all properly, once you press your hotkey, the Rizz should activate. What I like to do is I put my hand on the camera and hold it until the Rizz is done. So There you go. Now, the fun part is you get to get creative, do different camera angles, choose different templates, and then you are free to Rizz everyone you want on Omi TV.
Like and subscribe to Jesus Pope. He's going to do great big things. We love him.